Hey again. What I want to do in this video, I want when someone click on the song, I just play the song for him. And also I want to make this one moving with the song value. So let me start step by step. Let's start a part of playing the song. Every song now have a URL that already saved it. So to play a song from URL, the process is really easy. First of all, you just go to the app and define your MediaPlayer instance. You say, hey, I have instance of MediaPlayer. So you say mp equal instance of MediaPlayer. So media player in this way, media player, this is that class built-in inside the Kotlin or in real in Java. This is a class allow you to run music or anything. So this you just first of all you just define your instance from that class. That's good. Now when I want to run the song, I want to run the song here. To run the song, first of all you initialize this media player. Say okay, this one will be instance of the media player. Then when you try to run the song, make sure you say use try catch to avoid any error. So ex exception and open a bracket, close it. So first of all, to run the song, you say you need to set the resource of the song. So this one should not be null. You say okay, set data source. So you said your source, or you said the data source you want to run the song from it. Basically, I have the song here in the URL. So I say song.url. So first of all, you set your data source, saying, hey, I want to run song from that place. Then you say mp dot what you say prepare. You want just to prepare it to be run. Then you say mp dot start, and that is he will just directly start the song for you. And that is it just running, and you see it how it is running. So basically you say the resource, prepare it, start. And what we want to do, we want to change the text in this button to stop, so he could stop it. So you say okay, if he success, just set the text for me to stop. So when he click again, he could stop it. Okay, so he could stop the song. So I say, hey, this one you could clean it. Okay, clean the code for me. Say, hey, this one is better. So that is. But now wait, I have to stop it. But if it's already the text in it, stop it. It's like if the text inside is stop it, that means I don't need to run it. I just need to stop it. So you have to do this process. You say, okay, wait. You say if the text inside that one, inside the text one dot equal stop, that's mean he already running now. I just need to stop it. So I say mp dot stop. Okay, stop it for me please, and this one have to be not null, else run it for me. That's mean he in the run, or he is in the case of running. I want to run it for him. So if it is in case of ASCII stop, just stop it, not start. Stop the song and change to the text inside it to start. So he could start it again. And if not, if it's already running, no. If it's not running, just make an instance from it, start it, run it, and that is. So this is basically how to run. But also we don't need to only to run it. We need also when it's running, we need this one value of this one just changing with equal the music value. So first of all, this one need to set the max value of it. Max value, how much the min, how much the max. The min is 0 and the max equal the song length. So how to set it, if you remember in the ticket, not the ticket, it's just directory, I think in the main activity, if I just mistake it, this one, progress bar. Okay, in the main activity you say okay, progress bar dot, you set the max value for it. You say okay, the max value I could reach it will be equal the mp dot the duration. So the max value, not map, mp dot duration. That means the max value equal the length of the song. If the song is 15 minutes, you will say okay, the minimum value for me is 0, the maximum value is 15. Now I want when the song is running, he just already moving on it. So to do that, I need to track the song. Easiest way to track the song is using the normal way of a thread. You say okay, I could do track using a thread without anything like without too much thing difficult. You say okay, I need to define inner class, and this class name it my song track, and this should be instance of the thread. Okay, and that is, you just say hey constructor for both of them, and this one super. If you need to send any data, if you don't, just implement the method for run. You say okay, override the method for run, and you just use the override 2 times, and that is, I'm just overriding that method, and that's all what I want to do. What I want to do, I say hey, just try please, try to do thread sleep every 1 millisecond, so I don't need to this code to run a lot, and also make sure to do catch xex part of exception, and make sure all this code will be inside while, so this while will never stop. You say okay, while true. Okay, so this code will never stop, this code will always run in background and checking the, he sleep for 1 second, and he always set the value of the seek bar to the current processed value. How I do that? I say hey, run on UI thread, because I need to access to UI thread, and I could just open a bracket, close it, and I could run on UI thread. I want to set the seek bar to the value. I say okay, seek bar, I don't remember what the name of the seek bar here, which is seek bar progress. Seek bar progress equal the current value of MP, so MP dot current position, so he will get current position, and he will continue update. But this one are running all time, sometimes this one will be null, so I say I have to make sure the value of MP is not null, so just avoid error. So if the value of MP is not null, please give me the current value. And because this one is a thread and it continue running, so it will all time will have the updated value in MP in this way. Hopefully this one will work. So MP is not equal this way, sorry. So if MP is not equal to null, give me the current value of this one and continue running. I don't use this constructor, so well, easy, just do it this way and this way. So now I just got an instance when the application running, and just get start the application. I say I need my thread var thread or my thread or my track equal instance of my song, and say my track, so my tracking dot start the thread. So this thread will always working all background, and whenever he see the value to progress he set it, but he always have the max value. And yeah, that's all what we need to do, as I think. So start, stop, and I think now we are good to start and stop. Hopefully we are good. If we are good, that's sound great. If we are not good, we need to fix the problem. So let me see if we are good or not. Now I have the songs. Let me select anyone. See, here is it. He was able to run it. That's good. If I just stop it. Also, if you see, stop, start. If I just run this one, just select it. Okay, I just stopped and started. So now just click again. You will see this one how it's changing. See how the value is changing, which is amazing. Yes, we did our media player now for now.